Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Learning Lane. What if I told you that one period in history completely transformed the way humans lived, worked, and even thought about the world? This was the Industrial Revolution, a time when machines, factories, and new ideas reshaped society forever. Today we'll dive into how it started, what changed, and why it still matters to us today. Chapter 1. What was the Industrial Revolution? The Industrial Revolution was not a single event, but a period of massive change that began in the late 1700s in Britain. It was the shift from handmade goods to machine based production. This revolution powered forward with inventions like James Watt's improved steam engine, textile machines like the spinning jenny, and later, railroads and steel production. For the first time, human labor was supercharged by machines. Chapter 2. Why Britain? Britain became the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution because several key factors lined up perfectly. It had abundant coal and iron resources to power and build machines, along with a strong network of rivers and ports that made trade easier. The country also enjoyed political stability and laws that supported business and innovation. Just as importantly, Britain's colonies supplied raw materials like cotton and served as markets for finished goods. Together, these elements created the perfect mix of resources, innovation, and capital to ignite industrialization. Chapter 3. Major Inventions and Industries. Some industries grew much faster than others during the Industrial Revolution. In textiles, new machines allowed cotton to be spun and woven far more quickly than by hand. Iron and steel production became essential for building tools, bridges, and eventually railways. With the rise of steam power, factories no longer needed to be located near rivers and could operate almost anywhere. Transportation also advanced rapidly as canals, railroads, and steamships connected people and products like never before. Together, these changes laid the foundation for the modern industrial economy. Chapter 4. Life during the Industrial Revolution. While progress soared during the Industrial Revolution, life was far from perfect. Cities expanded rapidly, but many became overcrowded and unsanitary. Workers often endured long hours, low wages, and dangerous conditions, while child labor was widespread. At the same time, the revolution opened new opportunities, creating jobs, a growing middle class, and eventually labor reforms. It was truly a period marked by both hardship and hope. Chapter 5. Global Impact. The Industrial Revolution didn't stay in Britain. By the 1800s, it spread across Europe, the United States, and later Japan. Each region industrialized differently, but all experienced the same shift. Agriculture based societies turning into industrial powerhouses. This fueled global trade, imperialism, and even wars. But it also sparked modern science, medicine, and communication. Chapter 6. Lasting Legacy. Today, the Industrial Revolution's legacy is everywhere. Our cities, our technology, even our way of life are built on foundations laid during this era. But it also left challenges like environmental damage and inequality that we're still dealing with today. Understanding this period helps us see where our modern world came from and where it might be heading. So that's the story of the Industrial Revolution, an age of machines, innovation, struggle, and progress. What do you think? Was it humanity's greatest leap forward or a turning point with heavy costs? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.